In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Autosnipe.ai. So to get started, go ahead and head over to Autosnipe.ai. So as you can see in here, to be able to actually create an account on Autosnipe.ai, you'll need to connect it into your cryptocurrency wallet. So simply hit on that connect and snipe button. So from here, select Phantom, and that will redirect you into the Phantom Wallet app if you have that on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your Phantom Wallet app if you have that on your device to be able to get redirected into this section. So confirm the connection and select the browser where you want to open Autosnipe.ai again. Now select verify and sign in from here, and that will redirect you into the section. Click on the confirm button and select the browser again where you want to reopen that. Once you open your browser on Autosnipe.ai, you'll be able to successfully create an account. So if you have a referral code, you can simply enter that into this section and apply that. And if you want a referral code, then you can simply check on the description box for that. And that is how you can simply connect your Phantom Wallet to Autosnipe.ai. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.